Hi, folks. Today we have to continue our episodes of the training, data science and data analytics. Last time we talked about introduction and we get some examples. Now we need to talk about the Python IDE, which is Integrated Development Environment Platform Options. There we can use our Python coding in different platforms. One will be offline at your computer and the other will be online, as we'll see later on. We have different options to be more easy to access this platform for configuration or writing the code of Python. Okay, now we have some options to create the data sets. As we mentioned, we have option for Python, okay, as to mention randomly to create a data set, and we have also a manual. So before that, let's talk about our options to write a code of Python. We have FS coding, which is which goes can go here my computer after I install. Okay, Visual Studio Code, as you see. We can open that one to show you the option. It will be in computer offline. Okay, this is one option and you can download it from Google. I already have a Python training series. You can refer to my training series in Python. I give you a principle, fundamentals of Python coding plus how to install the platforms. So like this, it will be my Visual Studio Coding. It's running, okay. It's running. It will take because my computer is full of. So while it's running, let's have other also other one, which is, sorry, I can go to here. Yeah, I have a different one. This is a Visual Coding, right? You see, like this the logo. So I will close it. I don't want this one, okay? Because I need something else. For me, more easier. I can use okay, save, okay. So don't save. I open many terminals of Visual. I have different one which is more easier for me. PyCharm. Okay, to see PyCharm, you can download also. I already make this in the Python training. You refer to my series training of Python in the same YouTube channel. Okay, I already open here, as we'll see now. Okay, this is the one. I recommend you to use this application PyCharm. It's more easier to you. Let's say I already open here one folder. Okay, in my folder I can open new Python file. Okay, from here I can open, by the way, from here, file, then wait a minute, open project. Okay, first open a folder, open a project, a new project inside the folder. After that, new files and so forth. I already opened here a project. Okay, I can maximize for you to have more. Okay, I make in C. This is Python training for beginners. I already make some Python training on that. Now I will use the same folder to create a new files. Right click, make new. Okay, if new. Okay, new Python file. Okay. By the way, I can use here for JavaScript. I can use for Jupyter notebook for Python. Also, I can use for HTML, CSS, and so far. But for Python, like this one, file, and the name, data science. Okay. For example, data science. Enter. So I have data science empty. This is second option. Let's go to the third option, which also is very easy. Any person he has a Google account, he can go to his account. Okay. After he gets his account in Google, he write Colab research Google. Okay. Colab research Google and enter. If you don't know, okay. If you don't know, I'll show you. Very heavy my computer because I open many things. I need to. Okay. Will take some time. Okay. It will be like this. I can create a new. I have recent. No, I need to have a new notebook. I make it, for example, the name of this notebook, data science. Okay. I can put the name here. Data science training, for example. Okay. Then I can use what? I need to connect this one. We press here connect. Okay. After connecting, it gives me a terminal to make Python coding like Jupyter. Okay. This is very easy. My computer is very heavy. I open a lot of applications, a lot of files. Opening my computer since more than 15 days. I did not make restart. But I hate to make restart now because I have many things. I don't like to close it. That's why. Okay, now we can start coding like this. Import. Okay. Let's say pandas as it, for example. Okay, and we write the code. Maybe we write the code in the same cell, or maybe make a new cell for each line, other cell, and so far. Maybe I can put text to make here, let's say, or make text, let's say data set. For example, I make it higher, look like higher in the size, I mean bigger in the size, bold. Okay, now when you press outside, press somewhere else, coding, it will be automatically what will be. I double click, I can remove, I make only bold, for example, make it more. I can remove this one, remove this one, maybe all open, put only one star as maybe this one star and check. Okay. I can move by the way the cell up and down. You see. Now I have like this data set. You see. Again, data set. Just to show you how. Again, it will be like this at the beginning. Okay. Enter. Okay. How to make it larger size? By what? Just write this one. Make it headline bigger. That mean. Make it bold. Enough. Enter. Or press outside. This other cell, or other cell will automatically execute it. This is for test. But for Python coding, just when you write the code, make run. Okay. Then next. Okay. How I open it again? I make Colab. I should have Google account. Colab. This Colab. Just write check Colab of Google. Just go inside. We'll go inside your open Colab here. Okay. Yeah. Same main page. After that, new notebook as I showed you, and so far. Okay. This is how you use Google Colab, which is very easy also. I recommend this one. Sometimes my computer will be, let's say, is full of size. I cannot put a large data set like 2 giga data set. Sometimes I use Google Colab if I have space in my drive, because it's using drive. I put the data set in my drive. I connect first, connect from here. I'll show you where. Connect from here. 1 minute. It's here. After I connected, I have RAM. You see the RAM? Okay. That means still now I did not use a process on computing. Still I have more capacity to run a lot large code, big code. Okay. So from here I can press this. I can put from my computer drag and drop. I put here the file. Then I can use read. Okay, I can read BD. Okay, read CSV and so far. Okay, I can put the file of this one. How to make the file? For example, let's say I have one file here, new file, for example, whatever. Okay, I already drop and drag in this place. For example, right click, I make copy the path from here. Once I copy the path, let's say this CSV. I have CSV. Okay, or this one. I have copied the path. Then what I will do, for example, after I import pandas, I can make BD my data frame. Okay, for example, equal data frame, sorry, df data frame, my variable name. Okay, BD. See the same one. Show me here. BD dot. Okay, read underscore CSV, then open the bracket, and now I put inside the quotation the name of the file. For example, this file, let's say take terrain one, copy the path, put here, enter. Now I can run the code here. Okay, now so I can put here, for example, BD, data frame. Okay, enter, then run the code. You see, this is the file CSV. Show me housing median, total rooms, the bedroom. Okay, this is a housing data set for housing, population, household. Yeah, very good. You see, like this. This is the features. Let's go here. This is the features. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and this is the row. Row 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. What we have here? We have 17,000 row and 9 columns. Each column is a feature. At the end, what? At the end we have the median income and median house value. You see, show me a lot of information. Just very briefly I show you, and we can continue. This is how to use Colab. Now let back again to my PyCharm. In PyCharm, now I need to create what? Create. After I make the name of data science, I can create my data set. Now I show you already how to use different options of using Python coding. So now let's move to first option, or maybe let's finalize this. Okay, this slides for the module 1. I already finished. I will stop here to continue module 2 and start option 1 to create data set using Python, or maybe we can use Python. Okay, thank you for watching for today's episode. I hope you enjoy, and see you for the next slide for creating data set using Python. See you, take care.